Are you still worried about coating damage and tedious mold stripping? Traditional methods, such as chemical stripping or sandblasting, often corrode the substrate clean and evenly and pollute the environment. Laser cleaning technology came into being. Non-contact, zero damage, and 100% environmentally friendly. Suitable for metal electroplated surfaces. Precise laser energy evaporates the coating without scratching the substrate, which is ideal for aviation-grade alloys, automotive interiors, and electronic components. Suitable for mold stripping. It can penetrate complex cavities, remove coatings evenly, and retain micron-level textures raw for M, which are destroyed by traditional methods. Why Udibo laser cleaning machine performs well. 1. Multiple power models to meet different needs. Portable Series 50100 watts, ideal for small parts such as electroplated bolts or jewelry. Cleaning speed up to 0.3 square meters hour. Coating removal accuracy up to 0.05 millimeter. High power series 500 watts and above. Tailored for large molds up to 2000 mm3 in the automotive and plastics industries. Removes 0.1 millimeter thick paint layers at 3M to H. 400% faster than chemical dipping. Second, intelligent laser source engineering. Dual beam sensing system. Flat top beam technology. Ensures even energy distribution, which is critical for consistent mold surface finish. 3. Case studies. Metal plating customer. A local electronics manufacturer reduced plating scrap from 12% to 1.5% using our 200 watts model. Mold maintenance case. A Chinese automotive plant. Reduced mold downtime by 70%. Saving $85,000 per year in replacement costs. Technology advantages. Beyond conventional cleaning. No masking required. Lasers selectively remove contaminants, even on complex geometries. Metallurgical purity. Zero heat affected zone pass. Cost breakdown. ROI, 40% better than traditional chemical cleaning systems. Consumables. $0 $5,000 per year for abrasives. Globally trusted, locally supported. 24x7 technical support. From pre-sales laser source selection such as CW or pulsed, etc., to post-installation robot integration. Join the laser cleaning movement. Thanks for watching our videos. 1 minute to remove coatings. 3 minutes to remove paintings. Retaining mold texture. Welcome to subscribe and turn on the bell. Share your cleaning challenges in the comments section, and our engineers will provide you with customized solutions. Phone WhatsApp +86152526775152. Email info@udbombfg.com. Official website www.udbombfg.com.